Here's a quick video of how you can install this OtterBox phone case on your iPhone 11 or iPhone XR, and the price of this phone case is $59.99, which is $60. So all you do is, here I have my iPhone 11. What you do is you open this, and it has this clip on the back. I usually don't use it, so what I do is, this is good for people who need it, who need to like have access to their phone. So what I do, I don't need it, so what I do is just remove it and keep this one. I don't do anything with it. So it has this rubber casing on top of the actual phone case. So what you do is you remove this. Here is the phone case, and it has these clips, 1, 2, and I think about 4 to 6 on it. So you just gently pull on those clips and it pops off. You have to be gentle because this is very fragile. So you take your iPhone 11 and set it on it. I'm not gonna clean it, but it's advisable for you to clean this. And this has like a really soft padding on it, which helps protect your phone. So you set it on it. Bring this clip that you just took apart and just set it on it and push down. And just put this in it and slide it in. And that's your new iPhone 11 case. So it's very easy for you to install. And what I did is just put this back. Now your phone is protected. It works really well. And if you need a phone case that will really last a long time, you can buy this OtterBox phone casing. Another great thing with this company is that they offer the best warranties. For example, if this case breaks, all you do is you call the company and they will send you a new case. All you do is pay for the shipping. And thank you very much for watching this video. And if you find it helpful, please leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell icon next to the subscription, so that when I post future videos on my channel, you'll be able to see the videos. And you have a blessed day.